Hello and welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Dates and bananas are highly nutritious, and using these two wonderful ingredients, I'm going to share a very simple and interesting milkshake recipe with you guys. So why wait? Let's get started and check it out. For the banana date milkshake, I've taken 3 large ripe bananas. Peel the skin, chop it into pieces and keep it aside. Next, I'm taking 10 pitted dates. Remove the seed and keep this aside. To give it a nice nutty flavor, I've also taken a few almonds. Remove the skin and keep it aside. Once you've got these ingredients ready, to a mixer jar, add the chopped bananas. Next, add the dates. Add the almonds. Next, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm also adding 1/4 teaspoon of pure vanilla essence. Next, add a few ice cubes. Next, I'm adding the milk. This is boiled and cooled milk. I've taken full cream milk for this particular milkshake recipe. You can also use the 2% if you like. Once you've added the milk, close the mixer jar and blend everything till you get this lovely thick shake. Now you have this creamy, thick and super nutritious banana and date milkshake. You can enjoy it nice and cold. I've garnished the shake with some dry nuts and some saffron strands. It's a very nice, rich and creamy milkshake that's very filling. So if your kids are hungry, you can make something like this and give it to them. And it's a nice, healthy drink. And you can also make this for guests if they come over. Something quickly that you can whip up in minutes. 1 glass of this nice thick milkshake will keep you going for the entire day, and it will make you feel full and energetic. In this recipe, I've used regular granulated white sugar, but you can also use brown sugar or honey instead for that mild sweetness. And vanilla essence is also optional. If you don't have it, you don't have to use it. So there you go, the date and banana milkshake is thick, nice and extremely flavorful. Now you can refrigerate this and serve it nice and chilled or enjoy it immediately after making it. It's a wonderful drink. I definitely would recommend you to try it for this summer. To try it, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.